One very important factor that affects pricing here in the villages is property taxes. Now, if you're moving here from another state with a heavy tax burden, just hang on with me for just a second, because these differences, no matter how slight in your eyes, do affect how much somebody's going to be willing to pay for a home. In fact, this effect can be further compounded here in the villages by bond payments, insurance variables, and let's not forget, most people that are moving to the villages are aiming to live on their retirement income. In 2024, a $500,000 home, this could represent as much as a $2,500 or more per year difference. I would also like to recommend that you not solely rely on tax records for your future tax estimates. And I'm going to give you a few good reasons why. One of the best things about owning a home in Florida is the Save Our Homes Act. This limits taxable appreciation for primary residents to the lesser of 3% per year or the Consumer Price Index, and provides a $25,000 for individual and $50,000 for a couple homestead exemption. In addition, you can port savings from a former Florida primary residence to another through a process called portability. Likewise, new construction homes are generally only taxed on land for the first year. My point is, what a current homeowner is paying could be significantly lower than what a future homeowner is expected to. Instead, use the calculator available on the county's website. I'll provide links below. Or you could learn the simple math. While there are several different possibilities, they're all calculated in about the same way. Generally, a good approximation for assessed values in Florida counties is about 90% of the purchase price. To be safe, you're welcome to leave that part out. The assessed value minus the homestead exemption, if any, gives you the estimated taxable value. Again, the homestead exemption is $25,000 for individual and $50,000 for couples. The taxable value multiplied by the millage rate divided by 1,000 gives you a good approximation for future taxes. Alternatively, you can move the decimal and multiply it as a percentage. This is a color-coded tax map of the villages, shown with corresponding millage rates. If you own a home in Sumter County, you can also save up to 4% by paying your taxes early in November. Again, please do not rely on tax records. Use the calculator or the math, and if you're comparing homes with different millage rates, please pull up some comps and maybe try to find a comparison factor, a percentage, to make your life easier when comparing these properties. If you need some help, please reach out. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you're looking for homes in the villages, be sure to check out villagesgolfguide.com. Need some help?